mom, a wife, a homemaker, TV producer, artist manager, and content creator. So I love posting about my family, travels, home makeover, home organization, DIY, kids activities, and family activities. So if you like watching this kinds of content, please subscribe to my channel, Walk with Cham. For this particular vlog, I will be transforming my daughter's nursery to a toddler's bedroom. It was the year 2018 when we first moved into our house. My first priority is to decorate Keia's nursery. Because her name is Keia Lavender and the overall theme of our house is Scandinavian, her room's overall look is whimsical Scandinavian nursery with lavender touch. So now that our daughter, Keia, is 2 years old, me and my husband decided that it's the perfect time to change her nursery to a toddler's bedroom. Both the crib and our changing pad are gifts from our ninang, Ate Juday. Hi, Ate Juday! It's very special kasi ito yung crib and changing pad din na ginamit ni Luna. Actually, medyo emotional din kami giving it away. So, I asked first the permission of Ate Juday if it's possible if we can give it away. Tapos sabi naman niya, better naman daw para may mas makagamit pa na iba. So, sobrang kilig na kilig talaga ako kasi I've partnered with a brand that is known for selling quality interior pieces for kids. So, Incy Room has a new collection in collaboration with Andy Manzano. It's the Andy X Olivia collection. So, I ordered their asymmetrical house bed, book bin, and A-frame kids clothes hanger with shelf conversion. So, peg is the same color and theme. I will retain the curtains and then the canopy. Plus, I will put Incy Room interiors, the bed, the shelf, and the book bin. Of course, new wardrobe drawer, Nordic and Scandinavian accents. So, I ordered her furniture pieces online through Incy Room's website and then some accents from Shopee, Lazada, and furniture stores. So, my mom kasi is a retired interior designer, so I asked help from her to make a floor plan, tapos with movable furniture pieces so we can move it according to what we want. So, sa floor plan pa lang, alam na namin na hindi siya magmumukhang cluttered, kung sobra ba yung in-order ko or kulang pa.
Or pwede rin nakaganito. Ay, hindi maganda ba maganda na nakaganito eh.
Okay ba yan? Nandiyan yung chest of drawers. Malalaman natin siya sa actual. I know the arrangement is not yet final. Feeling ko madidecide pa talaga namin siya once na nakita namin siya in actual. For our day 1, ginawa namin is we remove all the old furniture pieces and we gave them away. So for the changing pad and crib, I gave it to my high school best friend, Ellie, so I know they're in good hands. And I decided to put wall decals on one side of the wall, yung white wall ni Keia. So I put watercolor polka dot design. Hi! So this is the second day. As you can see, wala na dito yung crib niya and the changing pad. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is I will put wall decals on this side of Keia's wall. This one is what I chose for Keia's wall decal. I bought this in Shopee. So pakita ko sa inyo. It has 6 sheets. Tapos in one sheet, meron siyang 6 pieces. The reason why I wanted a wall decal, para din mabago yung feel, yung look ng bedroom niya. At the same time, meron akong mga areas na gustong takpan. So that's it! We'll start na! Naubos ko na yung 36 pieces, pero mukhang kulang pa siya kasi medyo dito sa side nito and the other side and also sa top and bottom yung medyo kulang pa. I'll buy one more and then I'll install it again. For day 4, ito yung repainting of the decors and some furniture pieces. Ito rin kasi dumating yung furniture na in-ordered ko from Incy Room. Ito yung A-frame, shelf, and also the book bin. So, yung overall look kasi niya, ang gusto ko lavender. So, I repainted also the furniture pieces of Incy Room. today is a very important day kasi dadating na yung bed frame and yung mattress ni Keia from Incy Room. Sobrang importante kasi siya dahil yung bed yung makakapag-determine kung ano yung placement ng lahat ng furniture dito sa room ni Keia. Nabili na namin halos lahat ng furniture pieces. I think konting decorations na lang and hopefully matapos namin siya tonight. As you can see, medyo makalat pa siya, magulo pa siya. Pero yun nga, I'm hoping na magiging maayos siya and magiging okay siya after. Maganda kasi dito sa Incy Room, tailor fit nila yung bed frame na in-order ko according doon sa size nung bahay namin. The bed frame is made to order, so it will take a while if you order, pero it's all worth it. Talaga. Sobrang ganda nung kinalabasan niya. We tried rearranging the furniture pieces according to what we want and aesthetically kung ano yung maganda. Kasi I really want to put the canopy. I want to have a reading nook for Keia and I want to maintain the canopy. So it's really important na nandoon siya. Yung first try namin, nasa dulo yung bed. Kaso nga lang, hindi namin malalagay yung canopy because konti lang yung space. So, no. Second try naman, failed din. Nilagay namin yung bed dun sa wall part. Kaso nga lang, hindi ma-maximize yung space dito sa right side. Yung third try naman namin, nilagay namin yung bed dun sa right side ng kwarto ni Keia, dun sa may window area. And then it's perfect kasi we can put the canopy there sa other side with the book bin. Tapos lahat ng ibang furniture pieces pa malalagay namin dun sa other side. So that's the perfect location for all the furniture pieces. So sinanitize din namin yung furniture pieces na dumating because of course we need to be extra careful nowadays. Hi, Mamo.
Hi.
Disinfecting the furniture using Lysol. And then, of course, kinabit na namin yung hook for the canopy. I ordered this feather pendant lamp online that I really want. So, it's really nice. Nung nilagay nila yon, pinalagay ko rin yon. It's really nice. It looked nice. Naging maganda siyang accent. It made a good impact sa room ni Keia. So, day 6 is the last day. So, before the reveal, nag-decorate din ako ng mga Scandinavian accents. Today, excited na kami kasi i-reveal na namin kay Keia yung bago niyang bedroom. Tinransform namin from a nursery room to a toddler's bedroom. Pero bago yun, maglalagay muna tayo ng mga additional accents and mga decorations na yung iba binili ni Mike sa department store. We are done with the revamp of Keia's bedroom. So, bababa na tayo ngayon. Tatanungin lang natin siya kung gusto niya na makita yung surprise niya. Kasi matagal niya na itong hinaantay. Sana, matuwa siya sa makikita niya. So, come! Keia! Are you ready for the surprise? Keia! Are you ready for the surprise? Upstairs?
Room! Take a bath, then open room, okay? No bath? Approve. No bath? You want to open your room?
Okay, let's go! Let's go upstairs! Okay, let's go! Keia, where do you want to go?
You.
Room? Where? Where's your room? There. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Okay.
Yeah, you want to see your surprise? Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Close your eyes first.
Okay, go. Okay, open! You like it? Yeah!
Yeah, do you like your room? Circle.
Oh, you're welcome, Keia! Yes, you like your new room? Oh, say thank you! Thank you, it's your room! Yay! Bye! Let's go. Keia, let's go. No? We'll go down na ha. You stay here? Yes! You stay here? Okay. Bye! So, success ang transformation namin from a nursery to a toddler's bedroom. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa si Keia. As in, ayaw niya nang umalis dun sa bedroom niya the whole day. Nagstay talaga siya. And pinagmamalaki niya sa friends and family namin yung kwarto niya. If you like watching this kind of content, please like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Cham and Facebook, Walk with Cham. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Great news to all of you. Inserum and I are having a giveaway from the Auntie X Olivia collection. One subscriber can win a rainbow macrame, a book bin, and an A-frame kids clothes hanger. Just follow the simple mechanics. There you go. The mechanics are so easy. I'm so excited to see all of your entries. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!